Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and search for authors in Deepstash. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Deepstash application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Deepstash, find application and install it. So after installing it, opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started browsing the books that are recommended to us, taking a look at posts by people we follow and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to search for authors. So basically guys, we are going to go and be doing this through the explore section right here at the bottom of the screen. At the bottom of the screen you have your menu with a home button, library, explore and so on. So we're going to click on explore, and this is now going to open up this page from where we can get started diving deeper into books, podcasts and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to go ahead and search for authors. So basically guys, we can go and use the search button first at the top of the screen, where you can go and search for any author that you want to go ahead and find. But if you do not want to do so this way, what you can do is go and scroll down a bit. If you scroll down a bit, you can go and find some sections right here, such as the highlighted authors that you can go and use to go ahead and search for authors that are popular on Deepstash. So here you can find any of them. If you do not want to search by name, start exploring by yourself and see what you have to offer right here on Deepstash. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.